From the moment you step into the foyer, this home feels welcoming. That long breakfast counter is perfect for busy mornings, and the entertainment area, it's already calling out for a fire pit, a splash pool, or maybe a hot tub. At 160 square meters, it's designed to grow with you and adapt to however you want to live. I'm Milani, that's Sarah, and we'd love to show you what makes this floor plan so special. If this sounds like the kind of space you've been looking for, I'm here to help make it happen. Drop me a line or call and let's explore the possibilities.